Hello and welcome to another amazing Google Ads disapproval case where we were able to get the Google Ads which were originally initially disapproved for compromised site and circumventing system. We were able to get them restored. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company, and we help clients with Google Ads management, Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads suspension. We also help with Bing Ads management, Google Shopping, Google Business Profile. We also help with Google Merchant Center, website development, Shopify development, and a complete all-around packages as well. So in case if you need either of the services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's move back to our original case study where the client had a website being disapproved. So I'm going to show you, and then I will also show you the review as well the client which gave to us. So this is the client website. You can see over here the client mostly sell feed pictures. So I'm going to show you the original issues, and then we're gonna discuss regarding this. So this was an email to the client, and you may know the name of the client because the client review at the end you may see over here can match this. So from this over here you may see over here that find ads driving to the site were correctly disabled from the ad networks due to suspected malicious content issues on the website. While a site is disabled for a compromised site, ads are unable to serve until the issue is solved. So you may see over here that compromised links were over there. These were the previous communication before hiring us. So you may see over here that the client tried to discuss regarding, and then they thought about malicious links as well. You may see the client provided original from different websites regarding the website do not have any issues. However, after sorting out, they say that we were not able to re-enable the site on our platform. So you may see over here that the client tried its best before hiring us. And this is the dashboard error. So you may see over here that the client had two policy violations. You may see compromised site, circumventing system. See over here as well. So you can verify this later on as well. So you may see the website as well over here. So compromised site and circumventing system issues were over there, and this was the previous communication data over here, and where the competitor, or I mean the client also provided with us competitor URLs, and they were running identical ads to them. So this was all being explained to us before starting out. So it can be very frustrating, and I can understand it's similarly for the client as well. So credits to the team should be given where due. So this was the team who worked in sorting out all of these issues. So we actually did a few audits as well. I'm going to show you few audits. Apart from communication constant with Google support, as a Google partner we have a dedicated support including chat, email, and call, so which we used on that as well. So the first few things were, we found two footers. So, and on contact us page there was no clickable link. So lack of professionalism, lack of contact us page. These errors you may be surprised on. You may be like, oh, why we are not checking our site on malicious sites, virus sites, because the ads are being labeled for compromised site and circumventing system. Guys, let me tell you that whenever your ads are being disapproved, Google have a 160 plus checklist, which we learned. We have so far created this 160 plus checklist after learning around on why Google hold ads or hold Google Merchant Center accounts. So we use that, and we use a similar, because now Google is going to check for small and each and every detail before restoring your ads. So we see over here no contact us page, no clickable email links were found, and you may see over here that a lot of creator exists, but whenever you open it, it will feel like no creator exists. You may see over here core web vital assessments were over here as well. You may see over here that they were failed. Page speed have a very slow, poor performance. We suggested optimizing these issues as well. And apart from this, now multiple team audits were being done on the website. You may see over here that this was a summary, and these are the kind of a joint team reports. Multiple times a lot of communication was done with the client as well regarding this. So you may see over here that the broken links were also being found, and another virus tools told us some malicious error was also being found on the website. So that was also concerned. Another way we check as, and they found malicious error. So now we use around 10 to 20 tools for virus scanning, and then we suggested some grammatical issues, website optimization, mobile speed, mobile errors, codings, a lot work was needed to be done. Contact form is not working on contact us page. You can see, we even check for this as well, that this needed to be solved. Complaint page form is not working. We tried testing. So what we do is we try to do each and everything presented on the website to get it approved. We also suggested adding disclaimer page, adding 18 plus, no contact information, support availability, pages that are missing. We also suggested them, and now placeholder was another error. Now people asking what is placeholder? Placeholding holder is a coding error, and it's usually being found in the contact form, email, newsletters, or widgets or plugins on the website. So this can also be an issue. We have tried this, and we learned the placeholders after restoring Google Merchant Center, but we apply the similar strategy on Google Ads approval as well, and this has worked so far. So which is why we continue doing it. Complaint address is not mentioned, phone number is not mentioned, emails need to be clickable in the fact page was rechecked, blog session didn't have any post, and when the July was not arrived, they were already showing post from July. So this also creates a compromised error site, because this creates confusion, because July was not available yet at the time, because you can see that the report was on 2nd June. Although I'm creating the video in July, but understand the report was on the 2nd June. And you see over here that the content needed to be updated as well with months from October. So you may see that this also creates confusion, and they were like the client were targeting UK, and they provided the policy for USA. So this also creates confusion. Small errors, small mistakes were also being pointed out, and then I'm just giving you only the important errors, not everything. So you may see over here that the issue of malicious content was still over there, but we verified CRDF, the content was fine. So we also suggested Google to ask for the fresh cache, but the software website saying that there is an error, so we needed to be solved as well. Mobile speed was still slow, desktop speed was still slow, contact details missing in all politics pages, suggested needed to be clickable content, placeholder still was over there, location was improved, contact information location was added, but still a lot need to be done. And you may see over here that the phone number difference on the website and on the Google business profile both do not have a same phone number. Another interesting thing I like to tell over here is that because the domain has .us.com, at one point Google was also being confused with onlyfeed.us. However, we were claiming that it's onlyfeed.us.com. So we had to ask them multiple requests just to sort this domain error as well. So sometimes this small error can be cause of issue as well. So this was another issue which I like to add on, because this error caused a lot of delay or wait time to get these ads approved. Another audit I'm going to show you over here. You may see over here that the website speeds were still so. Also the desktop performance improved, but still a lot improvement was required. No contact number in photo section, no business hour, response time with time zone, address is not clickable. We suggested it needed to be clickable with the Google business profile, so people can easily verify your authenticity. This can also help you in increasing more sales. And we also suggested adding the disclaimer page as the last thing. And after this after constant communication, and again it's a teamwork, so not credits to me but to the team who worked hard, then we finally got this approval to one of my team members. I'm going to show you. Hi Hassan, thank you for contacting Google Ads support team. I hope you are doing well. I understand that you are seeking clarification regarding Google Ads distributed on the Google Ads account. Following our recent phone conversation, I am reaching out via email to provide you with information discussed. After conducting a thorough review of your Google Ads account, I want to inform you that there are no approvals of your campaign. To check the policy, you may be able to review the disapprovals, the status, and any additional policy related for your account. I hope this guidance helps you resolve the issue swiftly. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write. Thank you for being the part of the Google Ads team. So yeah, this is a very successful case study. I'm going to show you the sorry for this, but I'm going to show you that the client has ads running on. And if you may be surprised, this is not something to this, but they are spending money. It's more related to the budget issues and understand the client privacy as well. So yeah, we are now running ads. There is no issue. I can even refresh you to show you that it's all fine. I also have to show you the client review as well, which we got in the end. But before I go to show you all of these things, I like to appreciate and give credit need to be done. Credit need to be done and given should be to the team who worked hard to make this a successful project. While it gets loaded, I'm going to show you the review which we got on our Google Map page, and you may see over here that this was the review. By you may see the name, you can verify the name later on as well by opening the first email which I gave to you in the suspensions. In the communication, you may see the name over here as well, Element, so you can verify over here as well. So I had a major issue with my Google Ads account that seemed impossible to fix. I had tried everything. Ali and his team worked on it for several weeks. Despite the complexity of the problem, they managed to resolve it completely. I am honestly impressed. I really thought the account was dead. If you're stuck with Google Ads or need someone reliable to sort things out, Ali is a person to go with. So you may see how tempting and inspiring this review is, and we got a similar feelings for us as well, because this got us motivation. And while it gets loaded due to my slow internet, I wanted to tell you that in case if your Google Ads are being disapproved for compromised site or a circumventing system or misrepresentation or any other Google Ads disapproval, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. If you need help with Google Ads management, if you need help with Shopify, if you need help with WordPress management, or in case if you need help with Google Merchant Center or anything, we are a complete full-fledged agency, so you can hire us through the link in the description. So now you may see over here everything is running fine. So you may see over here as well, you can even verify the customer ID as well, because it's now refreshed, so you can verify the spendings and everything through because this ID. And if I show you the original communication email, so you may see over here this ID, both are same. So yeah, plus the review is very tempting and ads are now running, so this makes it a very successful reach. And yeah, credits should be given to the team. So yeah, thank you for watching. In case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.